Hello guys, in this video I will be creating an Instagram clone in SwiftUI. I have my content view here. Let me just delete this to get started. Let's say a navigation stack. Okay, and I will be using list to show the feed. Let's say list, and a navigation title will be Instagram. Sorry, Instagram. Okay, I know the default title of Instagram app header is not this. I know the font family is different and header is different, but I will keep it like that. So let's continue on creating the user array. Let's say users. Okay. I'm gonna say import foundation and let's create our array struct. Seeing users will be identifiable. Okay. Let's say let id equals UUID. Var username is going to be a string. Var profile picture is going to be a string. Let's say var post equals a post array. Let me create the post array here. Struct post. It's going to be identifiable. ID. Okay, it gave me the whole thing. I'm gonna just delete this and make this a description. Okay, and var likes count an integer and var share count. It's gonna be an integer too. Okay, everything's good now. Let me add the comment count too. Everything looks good now, and I can create a story view here. Let's just create a new folder saying story view, and I will create a one story view now. Let's just say story and import Swift UI struct story view. Okay, let's preview that. And okay, now let's say I will use a default image for that. I'm gonna say vstack and image. It's gonna be, let's check our assets. Beşiktaş, Kökçü, Messi, Rafa Silva, Ronaldo. What can I say? Let's say Ronaldo. Okay. And resizable, of course. Scale to fill and dot frame width, max width, or let's say width. It's gonna be something around 90 and height 90. Okay, let's say that clip shape, that circle. Okay, everything looks good now. Let's say clipped. Okay, now let me add an overlay here. Overlay, let's say circle, and that stroke is gonna be that init line width of 4. Okay, it looks good, I think. Let's just make its color that or white. No, I will make it seem like the story is weird. Let's say secondary. Okay. I will just increase the width of line. Okay, it looks better now, I think. Now our story view profile picture is ready. Let's create the username. Text, let's say Ronaldo. And this font will be that footnote of that weight, that semibold. Okay, it looks good now. Let's make this a scroll view by creating another file, story views. Import SwiftUI, extract story views, and hashtag preview. Okay. Okay, let's say, let's write a scroll view here. Scroll view, it's gonna be horizontal and it's not gonna show any indicator. Okay, I'm gonna include an edge stack here and give these stories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, no, 6. Okay, they look good, I think. Now I will make these story views adjustable by given values. Let's make it. I'm gonna say var username here, and it's gonna be a string. Var profile picture is gonna be a string too. Let's remove the preview. I don't need that. I will make this profile picture and this username. Okay, let's delete them. And now I have to create the users array. I've created a schema of users. Now I have to create the array. Let's say let users is going to be users, close, and users username is going to be Ronaldo, profile picture Ronaldo, post. Let's say I have to make this here. Okay. And this is going to be something like this. Image is going to be Ronaldo. Description, who is the best? Likes count, let's say around 999,000. And share count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comments count, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to make this an array. And okay, get this out of an array. I will use only one post, so I don't need an array. Okay, I created the Ronaldo and I will come back after completing all of these. Okay, now I created all the users here and the posts. Now I can come back to stories and give the values. And let's say for each users, and I have to give an ID of \.id. U is lowercase. Okay. Now let's say user in and story username is going to be user.username and profile picture is going to be user.profile picture. Okay, let's check it out in story views. Yes, everything looks good now. Let me include this in our main page content view. Let's say section and dot inset. This row insets, they're gonna be in it everything of 0. Okay, let's include the story view here, story views. And yes, it looks good, but I have to make the list style of plain, sorry, not plain. Okay, it looks so much better now. let's create the feed here. I have to create a new folder called feed, and let me create the file of feed, or just say posts, and import SwiftUI. Let's say struct posts. No, it's gonna be a view, and var body some view. Okay, let's preview. Okay, now we have to make the posts view. I'm just gonna say a vstack of image. Let's say basic touch by default, and resizable dot scale to fit dot frame max width is gonna be that infinity, and make this max height. Okay, everything looks good now. Let's another vstack. Of course, alignment will gonna be dot leading. I have to put this on here too. Let's say alignment dot leading. Okay, let's create the view. I'm gonna say an H stack here. Alignment of that center and spacing of 16. Okay, let's say image system name is gonna be heart, and that's resizable, that's scale to fit, that frame, it's gonna be width of, let's say 35, and height of 35. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it here. And again, this will be bubble, and this will be paper plane. And I can make this a little bit smaller. They're too big. Okay, now let's give here a spacer and put bookmark here. Bookmark. Okay, now everything looks good. Let me write the share count here. I'm gonna say an H stack again, and it's gonna be alignment of center and spacing of 4. 4 is enough, I think. I can change it. Let's say text 24K, for instance. Okay, let's say font. It's gonna be that headline, that bold. Okay, it's good. Let's just make the comments like this too. I'm just gonna copy this and paste here and change this bubble. Sorry. Okay, I think it's so good now, but I have to make the spacing a little bit much more. Yes, 8 is better. And I'm gonna say H stack here, or I don't need an H stack. Let's just say text of 300 likes. And the font is gonna be headline too, but headline that bold. Okay, let's say vstack alignment is gonna be that leading, and or I'm sorry, it's gonna be an H stack, and alignment will gonna be leading. Let's say text. I will write the username here, and that font is gonna be that headline again. I'm sorry, it's gonna be up. I mixed it up. And it's good, but I have to give this a padding that bottom of 8. Let's check. Or 4 is enough. I can make it 2, or yes, 2 is better. And I will make a plus sign here and add the text description. I will add a space here. Okay, I made a plus sign here because I want them to be together and take the whole space together, because if I didn't put a plus sign here, description could take only this area, and if lines were more than one, it would look kind of ridiculous. Let's test it out. I mean, yeah, look at this. This is taking this space, but if I add a plus sign here, you can see this is taking the whole space. And let me put the space here. It went to the bottom line, but don't worry about it. If I put a spacer here, it's gonna align automatically. Let's say description again, and font is gonna be dots. Let's say body. Yes, I have to make this body dot weight dot thin or light. Let's just check. Light will be good, I think. Yes, light is okay. Now our posts view is ready, but one more thing, I have to create an h tag here to display the profile picture and username. Let's say Beşiktaş again, and that resizable, that scale to fit or fill, sorry, and that frame width, let's say around 40, and height around 40 again. Okay, that clip shape, that circle, and that clipped. Okay, looks good, but I can make it a little bit smaller. Let's say 30, 30. And I will add the username here. Let's say text, basic tests. And let's say font, and let's say font, the headline. Okay, it's good, I think, but I can give it an alignment and spacing. Let's say alignment at center and spacing of 16. Yes, it's so much better now. Okay, our post view is ready. Let's check it out here. I'm gonna say that separator visibility is gonna be hidden on that top. And I'm gonna add a section here of posts. Okay. Yes, it looks good, I think, but I have to add a inset of bottom here. Let's say 8. Oh yeah, 8 is good, I think. Yes. Now I should hide the indicator, and scroll indicators that hidden. And yes, I hid the indicator, so it looks better now. And now I will make posts adjustable by giving values again. Let's say var username is going to be a string. It's going to be a string too. Let's give those values here. Let me create the for each here. Let's say for each. I'm going to say users and delete this and add an ID of backslash dot ID. Okay, user in. Now I can say posts, username is going to be user.username, profile picture user.profile picture, image user.post.image, and likes count user.post.likes count, comments count user.post.comments count, shares count user.post.shares count, description user.post.description. I forgot to remove the preview here. And let's check it out. It works now. Let's put profile picture here and username here, username, and image is going to be post image here, heart bubble. Okay, this is going to be, what's that, comment count, and format of that number, that notation, that compact name. Okay, 2.2k, everything looks good. Let's say shares count and format of that number, that notation again, and that compact name. I will make it not like this. I will just say likes count, likes. Okay. I think this is better now. Okay, now username is gonna be username, and description, as you know, parentheses and backslash description. No, post description. This is gonna be post description. Okay. Yes, I think everything works. Or let me make the profile picture a little bit bigger. Let's say 40 to 40, 35 to 35 will be better. And let me make the spacing 8. Okay, everything's so much better now. I have to make the insets and separator. I have to remove the insets and separator here. Okay, now I will add a padding to the description area. Let's say that padding at horizontal. Okay, I will not include the picture, and let's add it to username area. Okay. Why is Okun Kökçü picture not working? Let me check. Profile picture Kökçü. And yes, image is not right. And for last one, I will add a inset here, bottom 8 and top will be 8 too. I think let's give it a top of 16 and bottom of 16 too. Yes, it's so better now. Let me build the app. And yes, our app is completed. This is the Instagram clone in SwiftUI. If you liked my video, you can leave a like. And if you didn't like, you can tell that in the comments. And see you in the next video.